When I was 320 pounds, I looked in the mirror and I did not recognize myself anymore. That was my turning point.
Are you ready to turn your health around? Are you ready to reclaim the energy and vitality that you were born to have and just have gotten so far away from? Well, we are here to talk about in this video what your turning point could be. Penelope, my daughter, was 320 pounds at age 15. She was fully addicted to food, and she has broken that chain. And we're here to share our tips with you on what the turning point was for her dramatic weight loss journey that was all natural and without any loose skin, which is
shocking.
Yeah.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe. Because the human you see sitting here is literally how much I used to weigh. So without any loose skin, that's very rare. Most people get surgeries to remove loose skin. And one of the things that's really interesting is the reason I don't have loose skin is because my mom really educated me during my journey. She was the only one in my life who really cared for me enough to say, hey, that's not good oil to eat and it's going to cause loose skin. And I had no idea what that meant back then. But it's actually very valid because I don't have loose skin because I didn't eat sunflower oil and peanut oil and cottonseed oil and these types of oils that are really bad for skin.
And on your journey, you stepped it up. So in the beginning, you went from eating
Burger King,
right, to making your own BK at home. And then you went, like, you did buy your Caesar salad dressing and that didn't have good oils, but then you stepped it up. So in the beginning, you were subbing out a lot of things, making it at home, which is cheaper and healthier always, most of the time, especially if you're choosing better things. And the fats made a huge difference for sure. But I do want to mention that there were steps along the way.
There were steps. And one of the reasons we call it Step It Up is because we believe in stepping it up every day. That's why our members don't gain the weight back. They don't look back or want to eat the food they used to. And they're now empowered with the tools to never gain the weight again.
And they look so healthy and young and vibrant.
And they also don't have loose skin. So one of our members is down 116 pounds and she's got no loose skin. She's done it naturally. She's getting Ozempic and GLP-1 injection accusations. But she hasn't taken any of them. And she's doing amazing because she's learned to make amazing food at home. She's 40 years old. She's been overweight her whole life. And I just use this as a testimony because my turning point on my journey was when I realized that I could have my cake and eat it too. I just had to make it out of different ingredients. And the one thing I commonly hear many women tell me is, what was the one thing you did? Or what was the secret thing? And it's like, the secret thing is knowledge. The secret thing is learning what foods make me feel good, what foods are going to give me energy and keep me satiated. Because when you're fat, you're hungry all the time. When you're fat, you're bloated and inflamed and sick and you feel miserable, so you go to food.
You can't even think straight. You're literally putting yourself in a food coma and you're probably managing your emotions with food, which is a really unhealthy thing to do for your long-term and short-term health.
And that's why you have to be prepared. So being prepared on my journey has helped me never fail and never, oh, I need to go to Burger King because I don't have my own burger with me. Or, oh, I need to order a pizza because I don't have one in my freezer. Like, you get prepared, you learn how to make your own pizza out of different ingredients and you put it in your freezer.
It's a loving thing to do.
Yeah.
When you look in the mirror and you don't recognize the person that you're seeing, it's a great opportunity to say, hey, I'm going to choose differently. I'm going to choose to buy something differently. I'm going to choose to eat something different. I'm going to learn how to make some food that I like. And you know, it is a process. It does take a little bit of time, but you know what? We're here to support you every step of the way. So if you want tight skin, join the Tight Club. Would love to see you there. We give you all of our tips, tricks, and secrets. And if you really want to lose 8 to 10 pounds in the next 30 days, join our 30-day challenge today. Do not delay. And then we hold your hand and guide you every step of the way.
Don't forget to follow us on X, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe to our Substack where we post amazing recipes every single day. It's the best way to support us on this channel and helping the millions and thousands of women that we have to help. And please share this video with someone that you love. Comment down below something that you've learned and please subscribe.